force of gravity. Force of gravity, as in our kinematics we discussed kinematics, movements of the body, and kinematics will happen through the kinetics, nothing but the forces. In that forces we discussed external forces and internal forces. In that external forces, common mean is gravity. Gravity, how to explain gravity? It is the gravity force. It is the pull. It is the pull or downward. It is the pull or downward action. Downward action or attraction. Downward action or attraction of the earth. Of the earth on the objects on earth. On the objects on earth. Suppose this is earth. This is earth. So what is going to happen? Gravity means the gravity is the downward. The gravity is the downward or pulling action of the pulling action or attraction of the earth on the objects on it. On the objects on it. That is gravity. So here gravity is going to give the weight of the object. Gravity is going to give the weight of object. How it is going to give means, in Newton's first law we saw that one person will be there. He will stand on weight machine. Here weight scale will be there. So suppose if the person want to know the weight, if he stand on here, gravity will be acting on him. It is going to pull him downward. The how much force gravity is pulling, that force will be recorded here. That is nothing but the weight. So that gravity is going to give the weight of the object. So now weight is equals to mass into what is the gravity force means 32 feet second square. So here 32 feet second square. So this is the formula for the weight. Clear this gravity. Now we will see location of the gravity. Location of gravity. Suppose if the object is symmetrical, if the object is in a proper symmetrical shape, the location of gravity will be at the center of the object. Location of gravity will be center of the object. So here center of gravity at the center of the object. If the object is asymmetrical shape, the COG will be over the if you divide this into two parts, here it is less weight, here it is more weight. Where the weight of the object is more, there center of gravity will be over there. Here we will see center of gravity. Now suppose this is our auxiliary crutch. If we take auxiliary crutch, here center of gravity will be out of the crutch. It is not mean that center of gravity should be inside the body only, inside the body of the object. It can be outside the body of the object. So for this auxiliary asymmetrical crutch, so center of gravity will be at the out of the structure. So these are the locations of the center of gravity. Now we will see segmental. Segmental center of gravity.